Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. This is Anthony. Let me show you what we're working on. Here it is, July, and there's plenty of Honda Snowblower work to do. Like I try to tell everybody, summertime is the best time to do repairs and maintenance. I finished this 624 right here. Here's a 928 that's ready for next winter. And what's this one here? This is a 55 that I've been talking about. But right now I'm working on this 928 K model, I believe. It's one of the best models in 928s that Honda ever built. I painted the inside of the bucket here, and I'm getting ready to install a new housing guard. And what I did was I took the augers out and apart, serviced them, and painted them with Pour 15. I've spoken about Pour 15 several times. It dries very slippery and very hard. It's pricey. I think it was like $55 for a pint. But I've had these paint jobs on augers for years, and it lasts a very long time. It dries very, very hard, and it's a lot better than paint, and it's going to come out came out beautiful, as you can see. Look inside here, you can see it's going to last for years like that. This one's got a new housing guard too. So I recently finished servicing my 928 HSS, and I've got hopefully this can be done before the winter. I'm not in the shop every day, but I just wanted to show you folks what I've been working on. Summertime, like I said, is the best time for me anyways. It's the best time for repairs and maintenance because I can get it done and it's nice and warm. I've always got work to do in the shop. I mean, it's always a mess. I'm always trying to organize it better. All my hardware. I mean, I just had it cleaned up just a little while ago, and it doesn't take very long to get it messed up again. I like this table for working on carburetors and stuff. And got all my bins filled with parts. I'm going through all my bins. So that's what I've been doing, working on. I'm telling people, now's the time to get your Hondas serviced and repaired. We've got lots of videos to help you save money so you can do most of it yourself. Okay, folks? So thanks for watching. I really appreciate the people that have joined the channel as members. It's really, really helps our channel, and I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.